Today we're going to make these incredible pancakes. They're delicious and secretly very nutritious and high in protein. Hi guys, welcome back to your favorite cooking channel. Today we're going to make the best pancakes you've ever had. Now what makes them so special? So they taste like a regular pancake, but they are secretly high in protein and very, very nutritious. Let's go through the ingredients. They're actually quite basic and I'm pretty sure you have them in your pantry already. And then all we need to do is just introduce them all together in one blender and we're ready to fry them up. First and foremost, we're going to be using cottage cheese. This is the base of our pancakes. It's low in fat and high in protein. We're going to sweeten them up naturally with a banana, and I try to go for the ones that are kind of dark and spotty because these are usually sweeter than the regular super yellow ones. 1 egg, again, healthy fats and protein. Flour, we're going to be using a special one today. This is chickpea flour. It is, again, higher in protein and very, very good for you. A little bit of salt, a little bit of baking powder, and all of this, as I've said, just comes together in one blender, and then you just fry them up. It really is that simple. I'm frying these up using olive oil. You can use ghee for some extra flavor. And I have a special pan for pancakes, but you can use your regular pan, whichever one you have at home. And while they're developing a gorgeous crust, I'll explain the whole banana situation. I never throw away the skins because they're very high in potassium, magnesium, and lots of nutrients. So I collect them in some kind of, how do you call this? Just put them in some kind of jar or thing, cover them with hot water and let them sit around for at least 24 hours. And I use this water for my plants. It's full of nutrients and they love that stuff. It's like a healthy fertilizer and it's zero waste. Love a recipe that packs a lot of nutrients but really hits that spot when you're craving something sweet, like this kind of soul food, this comfort food. Mika, do you like these pancakes?
Yeah, I really like them.
You really do?
Yeah.
So do I. So give these a try. Please, please, please let me know in the comments below how you like them. They're just perfect. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Okay.